Deb has taken over the dumping duties for me. Look at her feet. Aren't those cool?
Only my second time, and I already came up with this idea.
She got bags on her feet, gloves on her hands. She's taking over the dumping for me because I can't kneel right now. My knee's just too much pain. So we're at a Camping World.
This is only my second dump, y'all.
This is her second time. So
the hose is long enough.
The hose is long enough.
I'm gonna take this.
Gotta take the cap off.
Yep, sure do. Oh, it's just a bayonet thing. Oh, okay.
A little bit of drip out, yeah.
Well, if you're not careful, you can probably tear your
gloves. You can tear them real easy.
Before you know it.
Uh-huh. Okay, so you gotta put it straight on.
Yeah.
Make sure it goes on straight. This is all pretty much new to her. This is her second time.
Okay. I think that's it.
Did it click good? I see water dripping. That ain't good.
Okay.
Make sure it's tight. Did it?
It's dripping, huh?
Yeah, it wasn't on.
Now it's on.
Are you sure?
I think so, yeah.
Pull your gray. This is what happens when you pull your gray.
Okay.
The gray is the left one.
Okay. It's really hard to get down that low.
It is hard to get down low.
I don't know how you do it.
That's why I can't do it right now.
And one thing is, your glasses might start slipping when you're looking like that underneath, but you don't want to touch them with your hands.
Yeah, really.
It'll go like this.
I don't think that's on good.
I think it is.
Let me see.
There's something dripping from somewhere.
Let me see. Let me.
It's coming from over there, the water you see.
Okay. We'll pull it gray to see what happens.
Okay. Let's put that back in, so we're going to do the black first. It was good.
Okay, so it held.
So, if it hadn't have been on good, it would have been a really good video.
Yeah, but it would have been better with gray water than black water.
Okay. So, the black is over here somewhere. It's just something you just have to feel for.
Yeah, you have to
feel for it.
You have to kind of pull it toward the back right.
Yeah, so you kind of get back here.
Kind of awkward.
Yes. It's just hard to do.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's more of a push situation.
Maybe for you.
Oh, look at all this water coming from somewhere. It's pretty disgusting,
yellow hose.
isn't it?
Coming from that yellow hose.
Yes. Okay, here we go. There you go. I like to push it better than to pull it.
Uh-huh.
I push it.
Okay, so there's your dump.
What did our meter said something like it was empty? I know it said that wasn't empty.
There,
Far from it.
Okay.
I'm so glad y'all could join us.
Yay. You're hiding behind the pole. Okay. Yeah. So now close the black.
Okay.
You gotta make sure it's all the way closed. All the way.
Okay.
It's all the way closed?
Yes, it is.
Okay, now pull the gray. Did you pull it?
Yes, I did. Remember, it did say it was real full. It's
okay. A little bit.
Working. It's working.
Okay. What are my rules for dump stations and dumping?
What is it?
If you can,
yeah.
dump.
Oh yeah, I'm appreciative for any opportunity here.
Yeah. If you're at a spot where you can dump. If you can get fresh water, get fresh water. Because it's always good to get a free dump or a free fill.
Mm-hmm. I know.
Okay, pick the hose up right here.
I still hear water running, yeah. I know, isn't that crazy? Yeah.
I know, just pick it up and roll it onto the hill there.
Oh, it's heavy in here,
yeah.
Milk it, they call this milking it.
Yeah. But now if you lay it back down, you'll know if it drops again.
Yeah, it's still full there.
You do it all the way down there.
could do it again.
Yeah, you could. Or you could just say it's done.
I'll try it again.
That's good.
It's pretty heavy because it's not a real good
Drain.
Yeah, the angle is not so great. See that?
Yeah. All right. Well, just go ahead and.
When I take it off, I don't want it like
No.
coming out all over the
Okay.
place.
Close the gray handle now.
My lid is down there. I can pick up the dirty
Yeah.
lid.
Close the gray handle. You gotta
No,
close it.
it's got to be done again, y'all.
That's good enough to get us home, though. Camping World. One of the perks of being a good SAM member is free dump stations. Sometimes they have potable water, but
So now I will close
Sometimes
it,
it-
right?
sometimes they don't. This place doesn't have the drinking water. Push it all the way shut. Okay. Now when you open that up, just turn it and then kind of put it underneath to catch a little bit that drains out. Okay. Well, okay. Leave the cap down. Just drop the cap. Put the hose up first because it's gonna have water in it. It'll get out there.
Too.
I bet it is.
Not.
Okay. All right. Put the cap back on it.
Okay.
And you're done dumping here. Dump station, no buses. They have propane here too. So we're at RV or Camping World in Hope Mills, North Carolina. So you done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Since you've been over here with
Uh-huh.
no shoe protection on, can I get over here and hand you?
Huh?
I want to hand you my bad stuff to put into the trash.
Sure. Okay, I'm gonna turn. You're done dumping,
I've got a
right?
bag here.
You're all done?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Okay. I like your hair. Crazy today.
I'm happy. I'm
Okay.
happy we dumped.
Me too. Say
I'm
goodbye.
happy you didn't hurt your knee doing this.
Yeah, me too. Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye. Thanks for joining us.
Okay, bye. Happy dumpings.